In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text formatting in your Microsoft Word documents quickly and effortlessly using the replacement feature. This method is especially useful if you need to apply uniform adjustments across your entire document or a specific text selection. Let's dive right into it and explore how to carry out this easy yet powerful process. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. Once your document is loaded, proceed to highlight the text areas that you want to adjust. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the text with your mouse, or for a quicker approach, if you want to select everything, simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This handy shortcut will highlight all the content within your document. Now, once you have your selection ready, it's time to click on the Replace option. You'll find this under the Home tab nestled in the Editing group. Clicking on Replace will open a new window for you. Here in the window, you'll first notice the Find What text field. Press your space bar once to enter a space. Then move to the Replace With field and do the same. Tap the space bar once. This sets up the basis for formatting adjustments without altering your text content. The next step is crucial for customizing the appearance of your text. Click on the More button to expand your options. Among the expanded options, click Format, and then select Font from the drop-down menu. At this point, a new window will pop up, allowing you to specify font attributes. Look for the Size section. Here, you'll be able to select the font size that is consistent throughout your document, or choose a new size you intend to apply. Pick the size that suits your needs and click OK to confirm your font settings. With everything set up, click Replace All to implement your changes. This action triggers a dialog box that summarizes the number of replacements that'll occur within your selection. Reading through this confirmation window can reassure you that the intended changes are correct. Once satisfied, click Yes to proceed. Word will now make the font adjustments to all spaces within your selected text, and there you have it, you're done. The text in your document now reflects the formatting specifications you chose, all done swiftly through Word's Find and Replace functionality. Using these steps, you can effortlessly standardize or modify text formatting, making your document look professional and polished. Remember, mastering these Word features not only saves time, but also enhances your productivity by making document management a seamless task. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.